Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Safasya, metric number 300661. We are from Group 8. We'll be presenting our group project report, and our group will demo how we install Linux operating system and command on our machine. So let's move on to project overview. Our group is exploring the Linux operating system for personal use. This exploration will involve installing and setting up Linux, customizing the desktop environment, installing software, managing updates, and configuring system settings. Here are some findings. The first one is running Linux on machine. The device that we use to run Linux is HP 15.6-inch laptop PC 15FC0000. There are 4 options available to run Linux on machine. The first one is dual boot. Dual boot refers to a computer that employs 2 diverse operating systems. The process of installing and running 2 diverse operating systems on a single computer. The second one is virtual machine. Virtual machine, or well known as VirtualBox, is a software-based computer which emulates a physical machine. The third one is live USB. A live USB allows you to run a Linux operating system directly from a USB drive without installing it on your computer's hard drive. And the last one is WSL, which is Windows Subsystem for Linux. It allows you to run a Linux distribution directly on Windows without the need for a virtual machine or dual boot setup, enabling you to use Linux command line, tools, and applications alongside your Windows application.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Rushdina, metric number 300704. Let's continue with question C. We choose option virtual machine. A virtual machine offers significant advantages in terms of convenience and safety. Switching between different environments is seamless and does not require rebooting machine, unlike dual boot setups. Moreover, virtual machines are self-contained, meaning the risk of data loss or corruption in your main system is minimized. You can also easily backup virtual machine image to ensure the data safety.
Hello everyone, I will be showing you on how to download Ubuntu and set it up using a virtual machine. This will allow you to run Ubuntu on your current operating system without needing to make any permanent changes to your computer. First, open your web browser and go to the official Ubuntu website. In the address bar, type ubuntu.com and hit enter. This will take you to the official Ubuntu website. Once the page loads, click on the Get Ubuntu at the top navigation menu and then click the Download Ubuntu desktop. On the download page, you will see the latest versions of Ubuntu available. Click on the Download button to start the download. The file is quite large, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Next, we need to download a virtual machine software to run Ubuntu. We will using VirtualBox for this purpose. Open a new tab in your browser and go to virtualbox.org. On the VirtualBox website, choose your operating system link. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install VirtualBox on your computer.
Okay, so let's move on to step 3, which is setting up Ubuntu in VirtualBox. First, open VirtualBox and then click on button New to create new virtual machine, and then you can name it as Ubuntu, and then select folder, and for ISO image you can click on that, and then select Linux as the type, and then for version you can select Ubuntu 64-bit, and then you can create password. After that, you can click on finish button, and then you can see there is something displayed there which is cannot override, so we should change folder. and then we're D. And then okay, so you can see that it is successful here. And then that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Ubuntu using VirtualBox. You can now explore and use Ubuntu without affecting your primary operating system.
Hello everyone, my name is Wadina Safia with matrix number 300705. Would like to continue to the next question, which is about the Linux distribution. To broaden your knowledge of Linux distro, there are Linux distros that are independent and not based on another distro. Those are Debian is known for its stability and extensive software repositories. Arch Linux offers a rolling release model for advanced users who prefer to start from scratch. Fedora is the next option. It is a cutting-edge distribution that seeks to provide the latest software and innovation. Gentoo is a source-based distribution with customizable software options. Finally, Slackware, one of the oldest Linux distributions, is known for its simplicity and minimalism, providing a more Unix-like experience. Open to the next question. The Linux distro that we have chosen is the Ubuntu. It is because of its ease of use, which we could say very user-friendly, and all of the useful apps are pre-installed. Ubuntu also offers regular security updates, ensuring that the system remains protected against vulnerabilities and threats. And lastly, it doesn't crash often and functions effectively on a variety of PCs.
In this Linux distribution part, I will demonstrate the command that we can run on the Linux distro. There are two commands we have to run on the Linux CLIO, also called terminal. First, we have to open the terminal to write the command. And then, the first command that we have to write is lsp_release space -a. Then, we press enter for the program to display the output. So here, we can see the information of our Linux distribution. And next, the second command is cat space /etc/os-release. And again, we press enter for the program to display the output.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Zakia bin Abdul Rahman and my matric number is 300592. Now, I will be presenting a brief overview of the Linux kernel, its major subsystems, how to check the kernel version, and the legality of modifying the Linux kernel. So basically, the Linux kernel is the heart of the Linux operating system, responsible for managing hardware, running user programs, and maintaining system security and integrity. There are 5 major subsystems in the Linux kernel. The first one is the process scheduler, which the function is to manage the execution of processes, ensuring efficient CPU usage. The next one is the memory management unit. It handles memory allocation, deallocation, and virtual memory. The third one is the virtual file system. It provides a uniform interface for different file systems. The next one is the networking unit. It manages network communication and protocol. And the last one is inter-process communication unit. It facilitates communication between processes. To check the version of the Linux kernel, first go to Show Application and go to Terminal. Then, you can use the following commands in the terminal. The first command is hostname_ctl. This command provides detailed information about the system, including the kernel version. So the version here is Linux 6.8.0-31-generic. The next command is uname-r. This command displays the kernel version directly. So the 6 is the major version number, the 8 here is the minor version number, and the 0 is the patch level. For the -31, this is the build number or release number, which often indicates the specific compilation or packaging of the kernel. The term generic here generally refers to the kernel flavor or type. The generic type typically indicates a standard kernel build meant for general purpose use on a wide range of hardware. Next, if you are not satisfied with the Linux kernel you are currently using, you might wonder if it can be modified. The answer is yes, and it is completely legal. The Linux kernel is free software distributed under the GNU General Public License GPL version 2. This license allows everyone to access, alter, and share the source code. Customizing the kernel to fit specific hardware, performance demands, or security requirements is a common practice. This flexibility is one of the key advantages of using Linux in various environments, from embedded systems to supercomputers. So in conclusion, the Linux kernel is a powerful and versatile component of the Linux operating system with key subsystems that ensure efficient operation. Checking the kernel version is very straightforward with simple terminal commands, and modifying the kernel is not only possible but encouraged under the GPL. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Tun Muhammad Luqman Aizat bin Shahrizad Herman, matrix number 300859. Today I will be talking about Linux desktop environment. A desktop environment is an implementation of a desktop metaphor made of a bundle of programs which share the same graphical user interface. There are 5 available desktop environments for Linux. The first one is GNOME, KDE Plasma, Debian, Cinnamon, and OpenBox. First things first, we will open the terminal. The first command that we are writing is echo xdg current desktop. The output of the command is Ubuntu GNOME. The output shows what desktop environment you are currently using. The second command is echo desktop session. The output is Ubuntu, and it shows which Windows Manager you are using right now. We choose GNOME as our default desktop environment because GNOME offers a minimalistic design that focuses on accessibility and usability. The application windows have a clean and modern look, which focus on content and functionalities rather than aesthetic. GNOME also comes with a variety of built-in applications such as web browser, file manager, and media player.